Hello students, today I am going to continue with the same topic, that is permutation and combination, and today we solve some difficult question, extra questions from except NCERT. Clear? Question number one, how many number lying between 100 and 1000, how many number lying between 100 and 1000 can be formed with the help of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the repetition of digit is not allowed. Repetition of the digit is not allowed. Repetition of the digit not allowed. Correct? This is the question. What is the question? How many number lying between 100 and 1000? 100 and 1000 can be formed with the help of digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if the repetition of the digits is not allowed. This is the question. Clear? And you know that the number lies between 100 and 1000, that is 3-digit number. 3-digit number. Now can you tell me 100 place? You can fill 100 place in how many ways? That is 5 ways. Because in the starting you can't put 0. 100 place you can't put 0. If you put 0 at the 100 place, the number becomes 2-digit. So therefore, you can fill this column by 5 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can put any number. When you put any number from here to here, then here remaining digit 4. But you can put 0 here. Here also 5 ways. Correct? When you put any number from 5 of them, then here 4. Therefore, total number of ways you can see, that is 5 into 5 into 4. 100. 100 is the answer of this question. Clear? And the next, how many digit of 3-digit odd number? 3-digit odd number. Next question. 3-digit odd number. Find the number of 3-digit odd number when the repetition of the digit is allowed. Repetition of the digit is allowed. The repetition of the digit is allowed. The repetition of the digit is allowed. Right? Find the number of 3-digit odd number when the repetition of the digit is allowed. You know that there are 10 different digits. There are 10 different digits from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. And the odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is odd number. This is odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Clear? So it means you can fill the 100 place. You can fill this column 3-digit odd number. It means unit place. You can fill the unit place in 5 different ways. So that unit place can be filled it up in 5 different ways. Because you can write here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Any one number in the unit place. If the last digit is odd, then the whole number is odd. Correct? The unit place you can fill by 5 ways, and the tens place can be filled it this place can be filled by 10 ways, because 0 to 9 there are 10 digits. 0 to 9 there are 10 digits. Clear? And the 100 place, you can, you know that in the starting you can't put 0. It means you can put 1 to 9. The 1 to 9 total 9 digit. So this column you can fill it by 9 ways. So therefore this is the solution of this question. Now you can see the total number of 3-digit odd number. Total number of 3-digit odd number, that is 9 into 10 into 5. Answer is 450. This is the solution of second question. Clear? 3-digit odd number when the repetition is allowed. This is the question. The next, question number third. How many number divisible by 5 lying between 4,000 and 5,000? Third question. Lying between 4,000 and 5,000. 4,000 and 5,000. How many number divisible by 5? Divisible by 5. This is the condition. Divisible by 5. How many number lying between 4,000 and 5,000 divisible by 5 can be formed from the digit? Digit can be formed from the digit 2, 4, 5, 7, 9. 2, 4, 5, 7, 9. And the condition, number 1, the repetition of the digit is allowed. Number 1, repetition of the digit is allowed. Repetition of the digit is allowed. And the second part of this question, repetition of the digit is not allowed. Repetition of the digit is not allowed. Correct? Now, how can you solve first part of this? I know that number between 4,000 and 5,000, there are 4-digit number. Number between 4,000 and 5,000, there are 4-digit number. How can you tell me the 100 place? 100, and this is 1,000 place. You can fill by how many ways? Only you can put here 4. Only you can put here 4. When you put here 4, the number become. When you put here 4, the number become and lies between 4,000 and 5,000. Correct? If the repetition of the digit is allowed, then you know that each 100 place and tens place can be filled in 5 ways. But unit place, this, you know that the condition is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5, it means you can put here 5 only. You can put here 5 only. This is also one way. This is also one way. If you can't put another number in that place, in the unit place you put only 5, because if the unit digit is 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Or you can put 0, but 0 is not here. And the tens place in the 100 place you can fill by 5 because the repetition is allowed. So therefore, total number, and that is 1 into 5 into 5 into 1, that is 25. 25 is the answer in this question if the repetition of the digit is allowed, correct? And if the repetition of the digit is not allowed, the second part, if the repetition of the digit is not allowed, the same procedure, you can fill this column only one way, 4. You have to fix there 4, because if you put any another number, that the number not lies between 4,000 and 5,000. And this is fixed, this is also fixed one way. When you put two number 4 and 5 here, when you put two number 4 and 5 here, the remaining digit only 3 digit, 2, 7, 9. Clear? 2, 7, 9. So you can fill this column in 3 different ways. When you put any number from, say, the remaining digits 2, therefore you can fill this column by 2 ways. Therefore, total number of ways in this part, 1 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. 6 is the answer. Clear? So this is different question. What is question? How many number lying between 4,000 and 5,000? How many number lying between 4,000 and 5,000 divisible by 5 with the help of digit 2, 4, 5, 7, 9? In this question there are two cases. First, the repetition of the digit is allowed, and the second is the repetition of the digit is not allowed. Then in the thousand place you can write 4, only 4, because we want to number lying between 4,000 and 5,000. If you put any another number 2, if you put 2, then number become lying between 2,000 and 3,000. If you become 5, put at 5, the number comes 5,000 and 6,000, right? But in our condition that the number lying between 4,000 and 5,000. So therefore you can fill this one way, this is also one way. This is 5, 5 because the repetition is allowed. Clear? Same procedure here. Now question number, next, fourth question. Fourth question. Find the number of positive integer greater than 6,000 and less than 7,000. Fourth. Greater than 6,000 and less than 7,000. Greater than 6,000 and less than 7,000. Which are divisible by 5. Condition. Which are divisible by 5. Which are divisible by 5. And no digit is to be repeated. 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 Clear? This is the question. Can you solve? You know that 1, 2, 3 and 4. Greater than 6,000 and less than 7,000. It means you can put here 6. That is one ways. That is one ways, right? And you know that you can use the digit 0 to 9. If digit not mentioned in the question, then you can take digit from 0 to 9, the standard. And in the thousand place you can write here 6, because the number between 6,000 and 7,000, and which is divisible by 5. So therefore you can write here 5 or 0, 5 or 0. So this column you can fill it by 2 different ways. Correct? Now you know that one digit is here and one digit is here. The total is 10 digit. 0 to 9, 10 digit. And you use already 2 digit. Right? And the condition repetition not allowed. No digit, it will be repeated. Therefore the 8 remaining digit here. And when you put here any number, then here 7. Then here 7. Here. Therefore you can say total required number, that is 1 into 8 into 7 into 2. That is 112. Yeah. This is the solution of this question. The main point, firstly for the thousand place, because we have to fix that number, because the number lies between 6,000 and 7,000. So in thousand place we can write only 6. Correct? It means one wage. And in the unit place you can write 0 or 5, because if in the unit place 0 5, the number is divisible by 5. And when you use one number here, total is 10. Total 10. When you use one number at the thousand place and one number at the unit place, the remaining digit is 8. So you can fill this column by 8 ways. When you put any number here, then you can fill this column by 7 ways. Right? So therefore 1 into 8 into 7 into 2. This is the answer of this question. Total number 112. Here 112. Therefore, your homework, revise chapter 7, correct? Permutation and combination, and complete your homework in your fair copy also, correct? And thank you.